What's up guys, it's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Good to see y'all again. So I'm currently on the hunt for a tripod, and the tripod that I'm looking for, it's not like I'm going to be doing landscape photography in the Antarctic with 100-mile-an-hour winds in my face or anything like that. So this tripod doesn't need to be like $800 or $1,000 carbon fiber. It doesn't need to be anything like that. I just want something for like kind of a secondary tripod to use. Probably won't even be using this outside much at all. So it's mainly just going to be a secondary tripod for my YouTube studio here. And the reason I'm making this video is because I think I found a good tripod. My criteria was it has to be a quality tripod, but it cannot be built cheaply. It has to be able to hold at least 6-7 pounds, camera gear or whatever. It has to be at least 6 feet tall or around there, because I plan on using this tripod to kind of like look over my desk here and kind of be like an overhead angle of unboxing videos and review videos and things like that. And it has to be compact. It has to be a tripod such that I can compress it and fit it down into a decent size, because my wife and I are living in an apartment. We don't have much room. My YouTube studio is kind of like pretty much backed up into a corner of our apartment, and there's really not much room that we have to work with here. So the more compact I can get my gear, the better. So like I said, I think I found a good one, and that tripod is the Mactrem PT55. The Mactrem PT55 tripod. Now on the back it says it goes up to 55 inches. We'll see about that. That's not quite 6. I think I said 6 feet earlier. I meant 5 feet. And that's not quite 5 feet, but the specs on Amazon said it went up to like some odd centimeters, and the centimeter, like converting the centimeters to inches, it was closer to like 60 inches. So I don't know. We'll see for sure in this video though. So what I plan on doing is unboxing this today, and kind of doing like a first impressions for you guys, and anybody else who's kind of in the similar situation that I am right now can kind of take a look at this, see if it's for them. Maybe you're just starting a YouTube channel, you need a tripod. Maybe you're just starting into photography and you want a tripod for indoor shoots or very basic outdoor shoots or whatever. So the specs on Amazon said that this was like some aluminum alloy with like different metal bits and plastic bits kind of attached to it. Take off this box. Anything else in here? Nope. Decent quality feeling bag so far. So this comes with a, I didn't know this was included with the tripod, left like a carrying case, which is pretty cool. Unzip this. The tripod comes right out. Put this on the floor there. Everything appears to be fairly already like kind of installed, and doesn't look like there's much to put together. So take this out of the bag here. I'll put the tripod right here for now. It is pretty lightweight. So we have some information. Thank you, Mactrem, reach your peak. What is this? Yeah, a little bit of social media gear. What's this? Instruction manual, various languages. So this is just kind of like detailing, I guess, basic operations of the tripod. I pretty much know how to use tripods. I've been using tripods for a while now. It's in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 or 6 languages, and instructions are fairly straightforward, it looks like. Some silica gel and a sticker right here. What is this? Qualified certificate. Oh, okay, so I guess this just means that this particular tripod passed their quality control. So we'll set all this aside. And let's take a look at this. Now this is fairly lightweight. This is actually very, very lightweight. So I can set it up. Okay, so it appears we have a kind of a base support structure at the bottom. We have a little hook at the bottom as well if you want to attach some stuff to that hook. We have the tripod head up here. I believe on Amazon this was saying this was kind of like a 3-way tripod head. Yeah, so you can move it back and forth this way, up and down, and there's one more. Anyways, you got like basic adjustments here. So we're gonna set up the tripod behind my desk here so you guys can see everything. So as you open it up, this thing kind of locks in place at the bottom. You guys hear that? There's little frog feet as well. And you kind of maneuver and get the best grip on the floor that you need to. So these are actually not the kind of tripod legs that you spin to lock or unlock. They're just kind of like, yeah, there's more like clips that snap open. So hopefully I'll have enough room back here behind my desk to do all this. Right off the bat, this is not the highest quality tripod that you'll probably find online. This, not at all. But if it's not very windy outside, this would be fine doing shoots outdoors. All right, so let's set it on the floor. Now I think this thing comes up a little bit here. Oh, we have this little, okay, here we go. Yeah, so this comes up to about right there, which is fine. Now the tripod that I'm using right here that I normally use to do videos with and professional photo shoots with, I think this extends up to like 7 feet, so it's a good couple feet higher than this one is. But like I said before, I'm just really going to be using this for studio stuff indoors, and more than likely what I'll do is just like angle this downward at this desk here, so you guys kind of like get an overhead view of everything going on my desk. Just to help out, because I've been having to have my wife film like secondary shots, B-roll, like other angles before, and I've also, when my wife's not here, I've had to set up very questionable balanced things to put my other camera on, which kind of makes me nervous. So yeah, I think this will be fine. Like I said, not like the highest quality tripod on Amazon, but for $40, I think this is well worth the price. This is actually, there's a 10% off coupon right now on Amazon, so you can get this for like $36. Yeah, I think like I said, like aluminum body, and there's some plastic and other like metal parts kind of mixed in throughout the tripod here. All right, so I got my other Sony right here. We're gonna take this Manfrotto connector piece off. So tilt up and down, turn sideways, and there's also this this kind of screw here that allows you to turn the camera in this direction. You just tighten this to tighten it up and lock it in place. Yeah, there you go. So that's the three-way movement that was advertised. So plastic components up here, I mean, decent quality plastic. It's not cheap plastic, it doesn't feel like. A little bit of metal mixed in. Again, not the highest quality product out there, but for something that you're just going to leave in place and not really put, it's not going to be put in a position where you're going to be banging it up potentially. So yeah, that's that. So this was the Mactrem PT55 travel camera tripod. Check it out. I'll leave a link in the description if y'all are interested. That being said, I think we're going to end the video right here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Appreciate it. See you next time.